Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel behind the camera. Alright, so this morning we are heading to Mass Nevi to bring him some groceries. I have my backpack here and a bag here. Marcel has one as well, and you know we always have to walk a good little way. So here we are, and we're gonna head to him right now. But before we do that, please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, so let's take the journey right now. All right, so it's actually Sunday morning, very early. Can't tell you the time. I think it's probably after 7 now.
8 minutes to 8.
Oh yeah. So this morning when we got up, guys, it was really looking overcast. So because when we packed initially, we have a raincoat and everything, you know. The water boat is still necessary because, as you can see, the road is, you know, muddy and you have water puddles and so on. But we took out the raincoats just now because we see the sun coming out, so it don't look like it's gonna rain this morning. So we'll be able to make it to Mass Nevi and the back without the raincoats. But I just want to say thanks to our anonymous donor who has made it possible for us to go to Mass Nevi this morning with groceries. Thank you so much. God bless you. And so we are really going to Mass Nevi this morning because the plan was not for today, but we had a change of heart this morning because Marcel was saying, you know, it's a possibility based on the time frame the last time we went, when we went and trim him, it's a possibility that maybe he doesn't have any food this morning. So we didn't want to have these things for him and just, you know, be there and not bring them. So that's why we're going early this morning. All right. Alright guys, look at this. That's why I go to walk sometime, because look at this. Oh my god, I thought the guy was gonna sell us, but he's like, no man, it's alright, you know. Much love and blessings to him. Gar. Probably I hide from the camera. But we were gifted. Alright. Alright guys, so even though we're taking this journey to Mass Nevi, we've been stopping, you know, by the road. Stop and got some vegetables and some tomato and those sort of stuff, onion and so on. And then if anybody knows Marcel is gonna stop and talk for a little while. So hope we don't pass nobody going up.
Oh, you never talk?
Me talk, yes,
you
but
never
because you keep stopping. Alright, so hopefully we'll go straight. Marcel said we can't just go straight, so we have to stop and chat. So, you know, that is it. Wow.
One donkey there.
Yep. The morning is nice and cool, so I guess this is the best time to come.
Yeah.
And the sun is not so hot, eh?
It's wet.
Yeah.
Oh, we go to call now.
That goat is hungry.
So I tell you?
You know, if you tell me, we can hear the distress now. The bawling. Wow.
Me hear one talking.
He's coming in front. Morning.
Morning, farmer.
See this? Murky.
Are you tired already?
Well, you know, the load seems to get heavier with every step.
Yes. It's gonna get better.
It's not so bad though.
Can't just walk in the mud. Sir Sam.
Yeah,
Yes,
man. The last time when we came and trimmed Mass Nevi, when we were coming back, we came down in the rain.
Yeah.
With one umbrella. So this morning we circle up with raincoat, but we don't need it.
Better have it though.
Yeah.
But we don't have it now, then I care.
Well, I think it'll go rain till later, you know?
Sun out.
Wow.
Here on bike.
Not in here, you know. It's all like on the main road.
Don't know where they. You want help with the bag?
Oh man, I'm good man. Reach, you want to reach.
It's so rich.
Yep.
Next
5 minutes.
5?
10? No, sir, it's
No.
not so long.
I'm not gonna sell less than 5.
Oh, okay.
It's a good exercise in the early morning.
Yeah, yeah.
See you. Whoa.
Good exercise for who do myself?
Slide, me slide, you know.
Yeah, good exercise for who? Me?
No, for nobody.
You know, but
Yeah. Can you not exercise?
you go first.
Yeah, man. Think I'll ladies first.
In some cases, like if there's a cow coming right now, it's definitely gonna be you first.
Well, are you the front, so you first.
Turn back.
Ooh. Well, hill done.
Yep. You can start to relax when you're easier, so.
If you relax and I walk, you walk.
I mean, you know, because they don't have no more hill. It's just flat.
Oh, yeah. I got wait, Mass Nevi.
Definitely not expect us this morning.
No. Yeah, what?
Wow. Yeah, man. Okay.
Every time we come up here over there, say you walk.
So, but where would I walk?
Can't make one new road.
No, this is the safest spot. Right up here, so. Because it's even dry.
Better you walk in the road because you can't slide off.
And I slide off. Wow.
And this one hot already too, you know?
It's coming out. It's good though, because the road wet, so actually dry up the mud and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, Marcel, blow.
Let off some steam. Let off some steam before we reach Mass Nevi.
Wow.
Well, we almost reach. When I reach it, you know. Almost. See, Mass Nevi, I come out, they look like in here. We.
Oh, that way, Marco.
A shop in Mago, you know.
Oh my God.
Ah, Jesus. Mass Nevi. Wagwan.
Hold on, Marcel.
Where you go?
What a road you go? Oh yeah, so that's why I just up in this hot pants, yeah? Yeah? Hold on there. Hold on. Don't move. Boy, good morning.
Not bad.
You look fresh in the morning, there, so.
Yes, man.
See, your beard start come up already.
Ah, that me I tell the boss. See,
Where you say I go, Mass Nevi?
you know, say out around me I go.
Go do what?
Look one bread for.
You go look one bread?
Yeah.
How will you say to me?
So we can just go with you?
Yeah. And tell me now, nothing, me go miss baby no. You not think hard for give me nothing.
And so far you did go?
Yeah.
Oh, so you go trust it from her?
Yes, man.
Oh, wow.
Me have one sister, you know, used to come from town. But now he can't come again.
Yeah.
In high sugar and pressure. And you know, say every month he used to come pay Miss Baby all in PM 20. 5,000.
Oh, based on the stuff you take, should I come and pay for it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, the sister, they good to me. But he can't come again.
Can't come again?
Yes, my husband used to come out with me, old man. Used to run so when I comfort. That the tire would be and come round.
Okay.
And they come from, you know, Master Green them. You know the green them? You're not going to know them, green them, from Crownland. Yeah.
Well, we come right on time because we bring your grocery this morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, so we have a donor and she sent some money and she wanted us to buy a grocery. So we went grocery shopping. We carry your rice, flour, sugar, oats, lasco, everything.
Same thing.
And we bring your bread and egg.
Same thing.
I would just buy chicken.
And we stop and get chicken this morning.
Oh God.
Right, but here what with the chicken now, Mass Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
And the chicken we bought, we have to say thanks to Mr. Campbell, Christopher Campbell,
yes, ma'am,
who is always supporting the work that we do.
Yes,
and so you would have sent us funds, you know, for us to allocate. And so we would have allocated that this morning because we stop and we buy chicken. So thank you so much, Mr. Campbell.
Yes,
God bless you immensely.
That me I say, if I my poor me that will get it this morning.
Oh, so you will get 1 pound of chicken for this Sunday morning. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so guess what happened now?
Yes.
You know Mr. Vassal, right, down the road?
Yes, ma'am.
So we got the chicken from him.
Yeah.
So we know you don't have no fridge and there's something that is store it.
Yeah.
So we have him chop it in two. We bring a half and we leave the other half with him.
You know, say the girl only handsome. And my family, you know, the girl is dead.
Yeah.
You see that the girl, man, oh God, Miss be a sin like how you see you standing. Every time he gets in front of her, and my cousin, he always me say, boy, when me see that the girl dead.
Yeah.
Oh God, man.
Yeah.
Girl, they used to help me, no, man.
Right. So your other half a chicken down there. So when you're ready,
yes, man,
you can pick it up. We tell him. You say you will know how to do it. You will know when you pick it up.
My family, them, man.
Me never know.
Yes, man. The man and my family, but his wife.
Okay.
Every Sunday like this Sunday, we can prepare me dinner.
Oh wow.
Me say was a nice boy, some good people dead.
Yeah.
And he said, "Are you man, you know?"
Yes.
He was dead, so.
Yeah. All right. So We have to say thanks again to our donors rather,
yes,
you know, who made all of this possible for you. And Mass Nevi, the last time we were trimming you,
yes, ma'am.
Marcel say, how me throw away your fork?
Yes.
But me say the fork never did good. So we carry one basin this morning.
Yes, ma'am. God bless.
And one flat plate. I'm going to put in your hand.
Yes, ma'am. God bless.
So it's not glass, it's plastic.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't know.
Yeah, that's you say you want. And we bring you. I hope we never leave it. 2 forks should be somewhere there, but you must never need to bring these in.
Yes.
So this bag you see having egg and having the bread. Put back the plate in there so you can bring it in.
Yeah, then I want to find him. See one part out there so you see brother. Oh God, me see me no know when to pass this more sir.
And we can't come in because of the mud.
Same like how you go past Mass Nevi, so we pass.
And our water boat longer by the way.
Yes,
So.
God bless you.
Yes.
We need to go take care now.
So I just say out here, son, give you the stuff and you bring them in, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're not going on the road again?
No, sir.
Not for going on the road.
No, sir. God always in the midst, man.
Yes, indeed.
Yes. No, really come soon. I tell you.
Yeah, because this morning when we got up and planned to come, it looked, you know, overcast. So we wanted to make it before rain or anything like that. All right, so you can empty this one. Garlic is in there as well. Here, two of them.
Yes, ma'am. That really like, you know, the garlic.
The garlic, okay.
You want back the bag?
Yeah.
And a bread me that go look to you, sir. You saw God sick?
Yeah, man, you have a bread in that bag. And bread and egg is in that bag, you hear?
Yes, ma'am. God now make what happen to me, man. For me, that bless me. God bless me. I deal with people that have God in them. Now follow no people them. Good people them, man. God bless the people them. God still having people in power, yeah. Good and bad.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you put him seasoning, Marcel?
Put it in there so that's enough.
With the chicken? Oh, okay. I want to give him. Mass Nevi, bring back the red bag. Make me put the rest of stuff in there for you.
Yes, ma'am. Me want to secure the egg. That's, you know. The egg we get.
So you carry egg around this.
Okay, okay.
Man, when God provide, man.
Yeah.
He will provide. When I got church today?
We wanted to, but we decided to come to you first.
Oh God.
So this is the chicken I put in the bottom, so you're not going to take it now. So you have.
I'm say last time we did say last time we did say.
Bring you some biscuit and stuff, so you don't have to always be cooking, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
What you said about last night?
We said we was soak the peas last night, you know, we cook some peas today, but
you never bother soak it.
No, for me I say through the time look, so you know me say me that prepare down in the kitchen.
Oh.
It so dog we cook peas on the stove.
Oh.
Take a whole heap, you know.
Okay.
So me cook it down in the kitchen, so me say through the time look so now.
Alright, bring that and come back. Hold on, I get that from you. Hold on. Which hand first? Here? Oh, okay.
When you do your man, when you do your know, it better even coming like a church, you're there right now.
What you say, Mass Nevi?
What you do you know? Coming like say a church, you're there right you know. Coming like say you're there at church right you know, man, for a blessing.
Yes, man, indeed.
Everything I'm going to go buy and get it.
How you have to cut so long, my boss?
Something dropped.
Yes.
Something still in the bag too.
Where you fall them then?
Then there, man. Coop, then I left the house here. You see, master.
What in the house?
No, what's that in the bush now?
A biscuit that my hand.
Yeah. Come, chee. Come, chee. Come.
Hold it back, man.
Chee.
So we bring you some
cran water, you have
some juices.
So season them in your plate.
Yes, sir, yeah. So you chicken now?
You're bringing it already?
It's right on top there in that paper bag.
Oh,
when you
yes,
go in
my table.
No, you put it in the chair on top of the other stuff.
Oats, you have 2 pack of oats.
Yeah. And Lasco?
Syrup. Yeah, you're carrying the Lasco already.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's one more biscuit there.
Yeah. God bless you, brother.
Rice. I wonder if you can manage your bag, my boss.
Yes, man.
Oh, yeah.
Not strong, you know, man.
Me see it, man.
I'm not
2 pack of sugar.
Yeah.
Oil. Alright.
Not strong too.
Carrying a way back. We can't party.
One, till you party.
You want something to put them in a door, Mass Nevi? You want one little cupboard?
Yes, man. I'll buy one next bucket.
Oh, is the bucket you store them in now?
Yes, man.
Oh, okay. How we swear?
Yes. Come in, I want to hear.
Oh boy. Yeah, by Mass Nevi, Maggie, ginger, seasoning.
Can my shit come on the chicken and chop up it for you, my boss?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are going to chop it now.
Spread out something for one of them rock and chop it on it. All the bag can it.
Oh, the red bag. Let him carry it on the
Sit there on the top. No, man, sit there right on the set.
Yes. Yeah.
Alright. I said, tell me buy chicken, maybe then chop up in between. You see chicken them come there now?
They come?
Yeah, hear them there. Hear them up in the bushes. Give me the bag, Mass Nevi.
Come, chi.
And where's the machete?
Mass Nevi, you don't have to call for if you're not feeding, feed them, you know.
Feed them, man. What?
Alright, Miss So, hold on.
I'm going to put them back on my foot.
Okay. So they plate them here.
Right.
And you have 2 seasoning in there.
Yes,
one is ginger something.
Yes.
And one is chicken. But don't use a lot here. Yeah. And this is syrup you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to stay and cook for you?
Yes, ma'am.
You look like you want to go.
God have me, I say, God. How me find you? How God make me find you, sir?
We find you.
God will find me.
Then we find you.
How God make you find me?
We find you in the bush.
Lord, good.
You're good, man.
Anything you do, you know. My sister, them see, you know.
Yeah, them tell you?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Try them come one time.
Yes.
And then tell me, say they see everything.
Mass Nevi, I want something to wash off my shit. Want some water and kind of clean off the choppy chicken.
Yes, sir.
Mass Nevi, my shit look light. It's sharp? Oh.
God, me show the water party. Me show the water, sir. Me show the water.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Mass Nevi have enough ackee. Them not open or nothing though. Yeah. Because of the rain.
Oh. Can you want a rag? No, I can't wash off.
Mass Nevi come with the water, Marcel.
Where your rag there? Where this towel? Oh.
Take a one.
Take it?
I was going to say you take a one, they wash it out.
Oh, I think you said, if you take it, you know, just put it in pocket.
God. Mom, I tell you, sir. Why?
Mass Nevi, this time mash it?
Yes, sir. What a mash it.
You know, one heavy mash it still.
Oh, no, one silver. You jump on, sir. Chance, you know, make a very brush, me have to brush it. Pray to God for January come out and go see what I go on.
With the eye?
Yes, ma'am.
What date in January have again?
You know what? We never ask the child, sir. You let it go, so.
Oh, she will tell him?
She will tell me.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, you want the chicken?
Chop up his
Stew? Yeah, stew it, not true?
Yes, sir.
Or fry it, which one?
I go cook some plain rice.
Stew, yeah, man, cook it down.
Yes, I cook it down. I go get some cook some plain rice. So.
These don't take too long to cook, you know.
Yeah, yes.
You have butter there as well, here?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have cooking oil?
Yes, ma'am. However good thing when they want. Same as me how go so.
Yeah.
You would have reached before you come out of the house and you top at you.
Marcel.
No, we the kitchen road, we know, just pass.
No.
Where chopping board do you have there?
No.
You don't have no?
Turn the bag inside out and...
You could have chop pan that stone out there.
Which one?
May I put the bag on the stone and then
Right here.
Yeah. Say the lady did say what they do, ma'am.
I'm supposed to get back to her.
Oh gosh, I'm that glad you know for.
Yeah. I did get back to her with the information, but there's something else I need to do to get
Yes, sir.
to her. Need to get the cost and so on. Let her know.
Yes, sir. But the said man down there, so you know. The said man where you left the chicken, you couldn't make it, you know. And put on, you know.
Make the door?
Yes.
Make it for you? Oh, but look here now. That door.
By a door.
Oh.
But it's not that, you know, the size. Is it standard size or we have to go pull up something?
Yes, it have to go major. I better they are miss, you know.
Who?
You want to left the chicken.
Oh yeah, we know, man.
Yeah, man, a big miss, you know, tail everything.
Mass Nevi,
Yes, sir.
you want to eat have some more chicken?
Me left some cookie and put brown and put it down.
Yeah, bro.
What something to put in? I want to chop up it.
Yes, sir.
You know, something. What something?
One container. Which dog? There's no dog here. Yeah, but I don't think I'm Mass Nevi dog. We never see him.
You come back and she fall, a film fall.
You fall, see me?
I know if you fall, Mass Nevi.
That up you.
You see that?
You think so no one could have come in and come take you now?
Nobody can take where you're falling.
Coffee me there. Yeah. You think so nobody could have come here to come take him? You have to me kill them. I'm mad.
Are you care them?
Oh God. And the dog, then you think I could see them eat me or something
Let's
else?
go for you, my boss.
I have to go to the yard.
I need this towel. You want to use wash plate?
That's the one you dirty, sir.
Which one?
The one you use wash your plate.
The dirty?
Yeah. Oh, me I will give you there.
Give me something to wash out this, because this is not clean. You want water too? Yeah, switch one.
Morning.
No man, let me keep it till me done, my boss. That's the video. What is it?
What Mass Nevi want? In soap?
He said, I have to wait for his fab.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, come with the thing with you.
That one wash. Mass Nevi can't see what going on here, so.
So we used to wash plates. We had to wash everything.
And I'm lazy now though. Some people used to draw bush and do that. Especially when they are grown.
Yeah.
Yes, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
Find him, boss.
Yes, sir. But you there, we just take out the water there, John.
Oh, we have so much things there. Let's start take off.
No, we'll take you out there, sir.
Get this bag.
See the water we have inside.
Yes, sir.
Donkey.
Watch it, you know, man. Fly to copy chicken.
Watch it. Good thing you say it for them actually gone with, you know, sure? Mass Nevi not use too much ice seasoning here.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Because them salty,
yes,
I suppose, yeah.
You use the seasoning, I use no salt.
You know, see, one at the time.
Well, listen, I'm done with it.
Me did get some season. I'm going to use some salt with it. I can use, I'll get this and use it. I mean, say.
You don't have to cook with salt, man.
What is it?
Just one.
Cook it.
So when I'm done, I just wash out them back.
So how you going to get in the drum? Hold on.
I don't want to go in there. I want to.
Me know what that me mean. Mass Nevi.
Mass Nevi, you want to take up the water for me?
Yes, sir.
What's that stone in our
Take off the stone, sir. Take off.
Wait, hold on. Are you trying to push this?
Take up the water. Fully, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Water pretty though.
Hey, man. Yeah, man, have a drink. Me have a drink it.
Thanks. Can't use enough because we're in a fall.
Yes, man. I mean, I want to jump down so too.
All one?
No, sir.
The one on the back?
Me, I want to jump like this, you know. In my kitchen there.
Oh,
okay.
But you know, tall like this. And good, that's all I get from Mr. Earl. Take your body from him.
It's good now.
clean, not you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Like biscuit.
I'll put this now.
Give me my wallet.
I'll put it on the drum. Put it on the drum.
Man, no good, sir. Good to me, brother.
Oh.
Brother, tell you.
Where's that stew? You stew, my boss?
Yeah. Brown it down. Yeah, brown it first.
You want it really small?
Cut the wing. You want it? I cut the wing in a two, yeah?
Yes, sir. All right. You know.
Oh, me chop up and make it stew.
Yes, man. So, are the brother there buy chicken from?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The only one say had chicken.
Somebody tell us, you know, when we are check at the shop.
Lance, tell me.
Yeah.
Oh.
You take off his skin, you know?
Yes.
You eat his skin?
Yes, sir.
You eat the skin?
Mm-hmm.
Come me hear that the hesitation, they're like,
Yeah, but I take off.
yeah, take off the chickens.
You have no fat.
Yes, sir. I mean, the Lance are cousin to, you know, by Campbell said, you know.
Oh.
Me people in Manchester are Campbell.
Mm-hmm.
My brother
My
P.
kids are going a different way.
Whoa.
So partner was the good in the first place.
And the skin.
Chamba. That's why they love his skin, you know, man. Just like that.
Can't see my chicken bowl.
Next time we chop up the chicken before we come.
Yes, but sure, you know, have it on your yard.
Yeah.
We never know how I'm going to do it either.
And how we give me, we take him and once it cut.
Yes, man, you know, can't cook, man.
No matter the chicken, no know how we cut, you know.
No.
So you can, once you cut.
Mm-hmm.
It's tough, you know. I chop it too hard, it will fly away.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, fly, me take off the wing already.
Oh boy.
I tell them to make it early, brother. I won't have no breakfast yet.
No, sir.
Oh, God.
Make sure you have feel first.
Oh, God.
You see why Marcel not sleep?
You consider.
We can't sleep.
Yes, man, that's you, man. You consider about me, man.
Oh.
You, man, you find out, man, that's you, man.
So when you're up here, I get your baby rest.
Yes, man. You know have to consider. How can we do this? Yes, I know, my God.
Where you look for Mass Nevi?
Now, what piece is now, you just throw upon it.
Oh, okay. You have to change the plate.
Yes, ma'am.
Marcel, me not see the forks. Look like we left them. We just remember we pack out everything and I not see it. Mass Nevi, look like we left the fork them.
Now?
Look like we leave the fork. So next time when we come in.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You leave it for one member, so they have one.
Okay, alright.
But you never can have spoon either.
So we bring you a fork and spoon.
Yes, ma'am. Uncle. Good thing with them here. With them here.
Mass Nevi, I eat too much skin.
Take off some meat. Go oily. That's it. Mama 7 I have no dog forget us.
Yes, man, the dog. What?
That's some come?
No, God. Sometimes you put on the signal in the kitchen and when you go take you.
You have vinegar?
No, sir.
You have lime?
No, sir. I mean, that time have no onion neither.
You know no onion?
No.
Oh, look how we that come with the bag with onion. we get onion on the road, you know, about 2. But we send it back. Because we never want to carry too much load. You have browning?
No, but this is season you bring here.
Just the seasoning I have, you might have to brown the chicken first.
Yes, sir.
Not true?
Yes, sir.
Cool, huh?
Dash your skin.
Yes.
Mass Nevi here, my plan to dash your chicken skin.
Nah, that's your man.
Make the skin, sir.
I just plan me that plan.
A good thing, so we never do it down a house because you wouldn't get piece on it.
No,
But I
God.
take off everything.
I never buy a chicken yet and take off the skin.
Yeah?
No.
We skinny like goat.
No, man. Some people are saying, brother.
Do you say where we sit, Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir.
Mass Nevi, I forgot to make some brownie this morning.
Burn sugar.
Yes.
You know how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Throw like a oil in the pot.
Yes.
You make it hot and throw like a sugar in it.
Yes.
Mix up it.
Old-fashioned brownie.
And throw upon it.
Yes.
Alright.
No, you can
No,
fry
you-
the chicken after.
Yeah.
You know, not fry chicken. You cook it down now.
Yeah, we fry it first.
Oh.
You fry it
If
first.
not-
You fry it first and you cook it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So, huh?
Yes, me fry it.
You fry it, then you cook it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you don't need to do that sugar browning business.
Me fry it.
But you only fry now go get the color.
No,
No, must get the colour, you know?
no, get no color, but me, so me do it fried chicken first. Afterward, now, when me fry it first, now, me throw some water upon it and cook it down.
Yeah, man, you're good to go. Now listen to my...
Garlic.
Yes. We have garlic too. Garlic.
Scallion. Thyme.
Garlic can put upon it too.
You have garlic.
Yes,
I said, I know Master, all the
Me see
chicken.
them.
All chicken get chicken skin.
Chicken eat chicken.
They eat anything, you know. Come on, for them now. So go buy feed for them.
I forgot to teach them to not eat them one.
Yeah. That table with them, you come from town and go around me. My daddy have a full of egg. They said, come and fold them here. Yeah, lay every day.
Right, you know?
They want lime.
Mass Nevi bucket can score again.
Want more water?
Take a come on. Take up.
Man, the chicken drop off myself. Like this.
Oh, see, we are on the I wash it fast. Yes, sir. Last wash it again.
Yeah.
What time you wash rice, Mass Nevi?
2 times.
What make?
At 2 times you used to say wash it.
How many wash it till it clean?
At 2 times you wash it.
Wash it till it clean, man. So if 2 times, if you're not cleaning at 2 times, you still cook it.
Yes, sir. But then that, I tell you white already.
You never have to wash it, that's all. I hate that now. Ready for season?
Yes, I see it.
You say if you put some on it for him, so you don't put too much. Bring the other one too. That one is, I think, ginger or something.
Can I just use one?
That's the one.
Alright.
Where garlic? You don't give me no knife.
Yeah, okay, nice, sir. I will do the garlic, sir, now.
They're on the table. See it right there in the table. Over more. Over more. Yeah. You'll find it.
Okay, nice, now. This me want, man. This is good for pressure to, you know.
Mass Nevi,
Yes, sir.
you may season this, you know.
Yeah.
You're not going to taste, you know.
Yes.
No? Come in and use no.
Yes.
That's it. That's it.
One.
No, stop
Wipe
now.
off. Wipe off it for me, sir. Wipe it off.
So did you eat breakfast already, Mass Nevi?
Me drink some coffee.
We did bring you one coffee last time, right?
No, man. Me I tell you, say, you have to bring me coffee.
Oh, I didn't know you drink it. That's why.
If you drink coffee.
I'm telling you no.
Yes, ma'am. Me drink coffee. Other thing they may bring for me.
Where did it go again? Tea bag?
Yes.
Oh,
But me
okay.
love the coffee, brother.
Oh, bro. Alright.
If I'm the pack one also. And you know, say $100 they say the pack one for.
You carry one bottle to you,
Yes,
yeah?
man, right.
Right now,
You know, it feel like it rain that dropped a while ago. Garlic, Mass Nevi. Mass Nevi now see.
Never notice I now look for me. Hold it back.
Now I want to bring the right things, sir.
Yeah.
You bring
What
season.
about this one, Stephen? May I use 3 peg of garlic?
Yes, we bring season now.
And if we didn't know, you go stew chicken and stuff, we bring you a browning.
Yes. Yeah, man.
I'm not stewing, so I'm not afraid. I'll pick it up.
Yeah.
Where's that white rice you cook?
Yes, sir. Now cook no peas there, so it will take too long.
What time you cook dinner?
Right now.
Alright now? I could have put on there and make it go on.
Chicken?
You have to go down there, sir.
No, sir. Free what? Free rice?
You go cook the peas.
Me now cook no peas, sir.
That'll take too long.
Yeah. If me didn't know, say me I get the chicken now, me da soak it from last night.
That you go say we cook it piece can come here.
Yes, yeah. I mean, I feel look good, it take enough when the gas bread on me.
Yeah, try and save it.
Oh God, right, my morning time to get little tea. That is the greatest thing we have to talk in a church. What do you do? For, you know, you think a little money have to bow too. And I beg and I pay them. And when you feel look good for me. When you see God do that, man, me say me, God will know.
Yeah.
It's a problem that is the biggest problem I have.
If you find the wood to make the fire.
Yes, man. Thing is the thing.
Oh, so you have to pay somebody if you look it for you.
Look it and sometimes they don't have time. Very and so.
Yeah.
But when you have to beg somebody to do something, I want thing, you know, but that time I say, I'm going to try to do everything for themselves.
Yeah.
Some people no grant favor.
You're not rub up your chicken for Mass Nevi.
We have got the one church.
No.
I don't know what share them and I put my hand in there.
Okay. You go there now. You're nice like white rice now, Mass Nevi.
Yes, man.
If you want more seasoning when you fry it, you can just put a little bit more on it. But
I don't think it all want no more. It's good, man. Remember for giving me seasoning.
Oh. No trying to hold it on there and salt here?
No, so I'm not no salt on it again.
You still have ketchup, Mass Nevi?
Ketchup.
They bring you one, you know?
I don't remember.
You never see it?
They bring you more ketchup.
You know what we like?
What is?
This in there.
That's chicken.
Thank you, so God bless you.
See knife.
The pepper sauce me like.
This are the
Pepper sauce. Oh.
I hope you some cut the season. See hold it right here, so wait, let it go. See hold it, so?
Yes, sir.
Right there, say hold it.
Yes, sir. Pepper sauce one.
Oh, okay, the hot pepper sauce.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
I me like.
Maybe.
Yes, sir.
Let me back the soap.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This in there.
Want some bleach and stuff when you come in, Johnny. The chicken is here.
The chicken that is cold.
It's still chicken.
Chicken just come out the egg.
Okay. You know what I'm picking up? The pieces of chicken skin.
I want
Scotch bread.
I want little water. I wash my short pan Mass Nevi.
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
big piece of
too much of your soap. You know no more soap for this.
You must make your whole pack of soap give me.
You still have it?
Yes, man.
Okay.
That is, sir.
So when the lady I wash you give her soap?
Yes, sir.
Oi! Enough of your time now.
Mass Nevi, I forgot to pour some water out of the bottle for rinse that.
Yeah.
I wash out the pan for you, Mass Nevi.
Yes, sir.
I thought the one you did wash it last time? Oh, okay.
Keep long though.
Yes, man.
Let me dash you one. I'm gonna get him a car now.
You know, say that you and somebody come pick up it.
Somebody take it?
Yes.
Then take it for throw water and I hold it where I'm stick.
No, sir.
Jam I'm stick.
You know, I was quiet out.
Oh, bro.
And you use it.
So wash me if you wash it then.
Yes, sir. Can't give you water for when I don't know, I go full back the bucket. Full back this.
Start look about your breakfast. You know.
I mean, I'm just drinking some coffee, I don't want to know.
You just gonna cook dinner?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Let me done the full back this.
Okay.
You the full water head drum?
Yes, sir.
Pain. Watch out this. Hear that? Get them strips there?
Do your thing.
Yeah. You like Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir.
You hear them washing there?
Yeah, you may I tell you, you're good, you know.
Good,
So you call it scoop strips.
strips.
You used to wash, man.
Yeah?
You used to wash.
I must.
I tell you, say, you're a ladies gentleman, man.
Yes, man.
I can't tell me see you do things. No, ladies have nothing. How me see you do things, man. You tell you. The last day speaking, you don't know if you do nothing, you know. Oh. That in banana they can't peel.
Ladies, gentlemen, so. This chicken is determined.
No, man, water. Water.
Are you full that jug?
Yes, ma'am. All right, you know, so we can't carry a jug full of water. Yeah.
Where can I go?
If you come to a case.
No. Yeah, so you can manage to bring it.
Yes, sir. Can't carry it full, man.
Yeah.
This is your rag. Hang out on the line.
Yes, right. Right, man. I tell you, Father, you're good. You're good.
Can't say I full up back this now.
Pull up the back. Yes,
you can pull it out of there, you may for me.
When the rain come, you come set the zinc in there.
Yes, sir. Pull it out of this for me, Father.
Alright.
The rain fall, I went. A Friday night. You fall.
You have one cock for that jug, myself?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me cock.
Friday night it fall. Friday night it fall.
No, me take off his stone.
Yeah.
Hold him a shit. He hungry there. Alright.
Wow.
Wow, well dumpling jump out. Wow, well dumpling a soap.
They clog up, man.
Yes, sir. Them
Look like Mass Nevi have it long time.
Maybe water catch it. You have to wash the jug.
Just cause Mass Nevi can see them.
Yes, man, I don't do that, man.
Yeah.
Do that, so. You see, we never bother one of the worst things in life. Worst thing.
Worst thing if you don't have life.
That's true.
That is true.
Feel good.
Yes. If we're not dead, you're dead.
You see how much ice God send come up here for you?
Yes, man. So you're good. What you can't stop, God bless the man.
Not at all.
Not no matter what they try, no matter what they do. Blessing is you nobody can tap it.
Blessing off the floor.
Oh, it flow, man.
Yeah.
But if I know myself, I never do no bad. Always try to do good. Tell me the van house I work. I want man if I don't. You know him, sir? Man can ganja and put lizard tail in and give me. And he mad me.
Put what kind of tail?
Lizard tail. Mad me if you go to Bellevue.
What you saying?
Yes, me there Bellevue, me daddy. They say go call me daddy. And me daddy come and then want me daddy to take me out, you know. Why injection I get? Keep me quiet. Lord gosh. And
real up and go on?
he bad, yes, they know then they lock me up.
Yeah.
A half a tree, hold me a course and I go on.
How old were you at that time? You remember?
That time me around say 20 to 25. Young boy from the me know say them this thing could happen. And the man contact.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. Where's mom?
Long time in a soon, no, alright?
Yes, man.
Your daughter, alright?
Yeah, man, everybody is good.
Oh, you got time.
Yes, man. How are you?
I'm okay, you know.
Awesome.
You know.
But you are so pretty like that one, I'm
All right, good.
I'm sick.
I never you get good company.
You see it too. You see it too. You see it too.
You see it door.
And I say, man, my daddy have to force them to make me come out. And my daddy carry me down here, man, and the first people me go. My daddy carry me go to Mother Bend. You know Mother Bend, sir?
Mother Bend.
Up, just where they me live. Me have one camp house around there. One meeting house around there. And Mother Bend have to bath me and give me tonic. I want good man that thing over there. And put me back on my foot. And that's why I lose the one house work.
Oh,
I never lose it.
that's why you lose the work?
Yes, sir.
Because you get sick and end up in the hospital.
Alright, defend you want in house.
Sir?
Yeah, defend you want in house.
Oh, boy. Yeah. Wow.
They may have some wicked people actually and they don't know what's happening, go to fight. Lord gosh. I got a try and see them and drink rum. Miss Harriet, I have a son name Cesar Shah. You see how the name of the guy try go drink rum. Yeah, they big boys around. And they put up all their hands up. They have smoke on their hand, hold them down.
Oh, them strong?
Oh gosh.
Oh.
You never know Miss Harriet, sir?
No.
Oh, God. Me have shop right over the other side. Lock up there now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, young man.
Yeah, man, young.
I thought you never know pound days then.
When you put it on the scale.
You never know penny, nor hear penny.
No, we only hear about it.
Oh, God. No, pardon.
$1.00.
You know, yes. You know, a man with a penny days, man, he man set up some bucket with penny and full some hope a bucket in one fully up. And with any money I change, you might be dash it.
Oh, he lose all of it.
All of it he lose.
You expire money.
Yes.
I hope you don't have none expire money.
Man, I tell you.
You don't have none save up in the Mass Nevi.
That is me. And it will happen again, you know.
You think so?
Yes. But remember, I say right now, man, I use $5 again, you know. And you know, I say, man, use $1 again, neither, you know. The lowest money you can have is spend over $10.
Yeah.
So watch it. But $1 you see dash away.
Dog, come.
Yes, sir, him.
That's it, man. I don't know if you want.
You don't.
Full right up.
And tell me I fully know me have to use that in there.
What?
You want funny?
Yes.
Oh. Alright.
Yes,
There
sir.
you go.
Yes, sir. God bless you, no, sir.
And then you can fill up that jug and give Mass Nevi, you know.
I'll come back for this.
Use out quarter Mass Nevi
Same
water.
thing with that. Sure, man.
Are you not gonna say it?
Same thing with that, you know?
Because when we come in full. Should I throw some water on his zinc? Oh, that part. Oh.
When you're in a fall, we can't sit again.
Yeah.
Wash off your rice grain.
Yes, sir.
See what it.
Alright, Mass Nevi, that are you.
Yes, sir. All right, sir.
Put back your stone.
Pan it, yes, sir. All right.
Everything intact.
You do one work, yeah, man.
I tell you.
You do wonderful work.
Yes, man.
Something you have to wash your plate.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I forgot to throw away these though. Alright, Mass Nevi, are you that now?
Yes, ma'am. What? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
boss.
Yeah.
General.
Yeah. Alright guys, this is where we end the video for today. We were able to come and see Mass Nevi.
Yes.
Marcel chop up him chicken and him can go cook him dinner now.
Man, tell you.
Yeah, Mass Nevi.
You hear that? The ball. Can't go cook with dinner, man.
Yes, man. And thanks also to our anonymous donor
Yes.
who made it possible for us to come this morning and bring you the groceries. And to Mr. Campbell, Christopher Campbell. God bless you.
Them they are donors.
Yes,
them they are
man.
good people. I tell you. Them they are people, man. So remember all the while.
Yeah.
I think the Prime Minister remember me.
I don't know ya. Which one?
No know me, then me name did it. You must know me.
You must know him.
You must. Me name in a government book, so you must know me.
Yeah,
Maybe you want to check your book, man.
your book, your name the far down, man.
Not check for man.
At W, what, you know? A fire dog in there.
Yes.
Almost the end of the alphabet.
Yes, man.
Alright, Mass Nevi, we're gonna leave you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man. Alright, guys. Until next time, thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Blessed love.
Yep.
Alright, my general.
Yeah. You did I said no, you're not left me.
Why, Mike? Remember this time, man, because you said last time you say you're not tell we again.
Me not going to tell you about me, I will tell you about me.
Ah! So remember. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. Take it easy. Yeah, man. Alright, Mass Nevi. Yeah, man. Blessings, guys. This is where we end the video for today. Much love and blessings. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye.
Blessings.